Hi, let's talk about its versus its. We have here two sentences. The company changed its policy and the company changed its policy. Makita nating mali yung naunang sentence at ito'y dahil mayroong apostrophe S yung its. Samantalang sa second sentence, walang apostrophe yung its. So madali lang siyang tandaan. It's yung merong apostrophe, it means it is, while yung it's na walang apostrophe S is the possessive form of the pronoun it. So yung it na may apostrophe S, ang ibig sabihin niya ay it is, samantala yung walang apostrophe S, ibig sabihin niya ay possessive form iyon ng kung anumang noun na tinutukoy ng pronoun na iyon, which is yung it. Kaya lang siguro nalilito ang iba kasi sa noun, kalimitang ginagamitan ng apostrophe S to show possession, pero sa pronouns, generally hindi na kinakailangan gumamit ng apostrophe S. Let's have here another sample sentences. It's raining heavily and SM closed its Mega Mall branch earlier than usual. So, it's with apostrophe S ang gamit sa first sentence dahil contraction siya ng it is sa it is raining heavily. As for the second sentence, yung it's doon na walang apostrophe pertains to SM, which closed its Mega Mall branch earlier than usual. Tama ang paggamit na walang apostrophe dahil there's possession in its. SM closed what? Its Mega Mall branch. Follow for more content about English grammar.